आज हम लॉग 8 स्टैंडर्ड से लेसन स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सेल पढ़ने वाले हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द सेल, प्लांट सेल एंड एनिमल सेल, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, गोल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स, न्यूक्लियस, न्यूक्लियोलस, एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिक्यूलम, सेल मेम्ब्रेन, क्लोरोप्लास्ट, वैक्यूल, सेल वॉल, प्लांट सेल प्लास्टिड्स, क्लोरोप्लास्ट, लाइसोसोम, mitochondria, Golgi complex, nucleus, nucleolus, endoplasmic reticulum, cell membrane, animal cell. Comparison of plant cell and animal cell. Component: animal cell, plant cell, cell membrane, present, cell wall, absent, present, nucleus, present, plastids, chloroplasts, absent, present, endoplasmic reticulum, present, vacuole, small or temporary, large and permanent. Golgi complex, present, mitochondria present, lysosomes, present, rare or absent. We must study each and every part of the cell to understand the processes occurring within the cell. How many types of cells are found in living organisms? Living organisms mainly have two types of cells, namely prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells do not have a true nucleus, while eukaryotic cells have a well-defined nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. जीवों में मुख्य रूप से दो प्रकार की कोशिकाएं पाई जाती हैं। प्रोकैरियोटिक कोशिकाओं में वास्तविक केंद्रक नहीं होता, जबकि यूकैरियोटिक कोशिकाओं में स्पष्ट केंद्रक तथा झिल्ली से घिरे कोशिकांग होते हैं। Which instrument had you used to observe cells? Cells are observed using a microscope. A compound microscope is commonly used in laboratories and schools. कोशिकाओं को देखने के लिए सूक्ष्मदर्शी का उपयोग किया जाता है। विद्यालयों और प्रयोगशालाओं में सामान्यतः संयुक्त सूक्ष्मदर्शी का उपयोग किया जाता है। How do substances travel in the cell? Substances travel in the cell through diffusion, osmosis and active transport. These processes help in the movement of water, nutrients, gases and waste materials. कोशिका में पदार्थों का परिवहन विसरण, परासरण तथा सक्रिय परिवहन द्वारा होता है। इन प्रक्रियाओं से जल, पोषक तत्व, गैसें और अपशिष्ट पदार्थों का आवागमन होता है। Keep 4 to 5 raisins in water and observe after an hour. Afterwards keep the same raisins in sugar solution and observe after an hour. Note down the observations. In water the raisins absorb water by osmosis and swell up. In sugar solution the raisins lose water by osmosis and shrink. पानी में किशमिश परासरण द्वारा जल को अवशोषित कर फूल जाती है। चीनी के घोल में किशमिश जल खो देती है और सिकुड़ जाती है। Wooden doors fit very tightly in rainy season. Why does it happen? During the rainy season wood absorbs moisture from the air and expands. Therefore wooden doors become tight and difficult to open or close. वर्षा ऋतु में लकड़ी वायु से नमी को अवशोषित करके फैल जाती है। इसलिए लकड़ी के दरवाजे कसे हुए हो जाते हैं और उन्हें खोलना या बंद करना कठिन हो जाता है। Have you seen the fully turgid rectangular cells of onion peelings? Yes, onion peel cells appear rectangular and become fully turgid after absorbing water because of the pressure exerted by the cell sap. हाँ, प्याज के छिलके की कोशिकाएं आयताकार दिखाई देती हैं और जल अवशोषित करने पर कोशिका रस के दबाव के कारण पूर्ण स्फीत हो जाती हैं। Think about it. How many types of pipelines are there in your building or home? What are their functions? What will happen if they were not there? Homes generally have water supply pipelines, drainage pipelines and gas pipelines. They supply clean water, remove wastewater and provide cooking gas. Without these pipelines daily life would become difficult and unhygienic. घरों में सामान्यतः जल आपूर्ति पाइपलाइन, जल निकासी पाइपलाइन तथा गैस पाइपलाइन होती हैं। ये स्वच्छ जल उपलब्ध कराती हैं, अपशिष्ट जल बाहर निकालती हैं तथा खाना बनाने के लिए गैस पहुंचाती हैं। इनके बिना दैनिक जीवन कठिन और अस्वच्छ हो जाएगा। What happens to the agricultural waste after a few days when it is dumped in a compost pit? Agricultural waste is decomposed by microorganisms and gets converted into compost, which is a natural manure. कंपोस्ट गड्ढे में कृषि अपशिष्ट सूक्ष्मजीवों द्वारा विघटित होकर कंपोस्ट में बदल जाता है, जो एक प्राकृतिक खाद है. Which type of energy is required to run the fans, computers and electric bulbs? Where is this energy produced? Electrical energy is required to run fans, computers and electric bulbs. It is mainly produced in power plants using water, coal, wind, solar and nuclear energy. पंखे, कंप्यूटर और विद्युत बल्ब चलाने के लिए विद्युत ऊर्जा की आवश्यकता होती है. यह ऊर्जा मुख्य रूप से विद्युत उत्पादन केंद्रों में जल, कोयला, पवन, सौर तथा परमाणु ऊर्जा की सहायता से उत्पन्न की जाती है. What is the benefit of foldings of inner membrane in mitochondria? The foldings of the inner membrane increase the surface area for cellular respiration. This helps in producing more ATP, which is the energy currency of the cell. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया की भीतरी झिल्ली की तहें सतह क्षेत्रफल को बढ़ाती हैं, जिससे कोशिकीय श्वसन अधिक प्रभावी होता है और अधिक मात्रा में एटीपी बनती है, जो कोशिका की ऊर्जा मुद्रा है. मिडल, लमेला, हेमासेलोज, पेक्टिन, सेल्यूलोज, प्राइमरी माइक्रोफाइबर, सेल वॉल सॉल्यूबल, प्रोटीन्स, प्लाज्मा, मेम्ब्रेन. 10.2 स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सेल वॉल, कार्बोहाइड्रेट चेन, प्रोटीन, लाइपिड बाइलेयर. 10.3 स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. एक्टिविटीज दैट कंज्यूम सेल्यूलर एनर्जी. 1. एंडोसाइटोसिस टू engulf food and other substance from outer environment. 2. Exocytosis to excrete waste materials out of cell. Processes those that don't consume cellular energy. 1. Diffusion, entry or exit of small molecules like O, CO. 2. Osmosis, the traveling of water from a part with more water to a part with less water. Through a selectively permeable membrane is osmosis. It is a physical process with 3 possibilities. Osmosis in plant cell. Water remove about from cell. Water getting inside into the vacuole of cell, and same time what I get removed from the vacuole of cell. Water getting inside the vacuole of the cell. Osmosis in animal cell. Hypertonic, isotonic, hypertonic. 10.4 Osmosis. Osmosis in plant cell. Osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of water molecules through a selectively permeable membrane from a region of higher water concentration to a region of lower water concentration. परासरण वह प्रक्रिया है जिसमें जल के अणु अर्धपारगम्य झिल्ली के माध्यम से अधिक जल सांद्रता वाले क्षेत्र से कम जल सांद्रता वाले क्षेत्र की ओर जाते हैं. 2. Water entering the vacuole of a plant cell. When a plant cell is placed in a hypertonic solution, water enters the cell by osmosis and finally enters the vacuole. The vacuole becomes larger and the cell becomes turgid. Function. It maintains cell shape, supports the plant and helps keep the cell firm. जब पौधे की कोशिका को हाइपोटोनिक विलन में रखा जाता है, तब जल परासरण द्वारा कोशिका में प्रवेश करता है और अंत में रिक्तिका में भर जाता है. रिक्तिका बड़ी हो जाती है और कोशिका स्फीत हो जाती है. कार्य. यह कोशिका का आकार बनाए रखता है, पौधे को सहारा देता है तथा कोशिका को दृढ़ बनाए रखता है. 3. Water leaving the plant cell. When a plant cell is placed in a hypertonic solution, water moves out of the vacuole and the cell through osmosis. The vacuole shrinks and the cytoplasm pulls away from the cell wall. This process is called plasmolysis. Function. It helps maintain water balance, but excessive water loss causes the cell to shrink. जब पौधे की कोशिका को हाइपरटोनिक विलन में रखा जाता है, तब जल परासरण द्वारा रिक्तिका और कोशिका से बाहर निकल जाता है. रिक्तिका सिकुड़ जाती है तथा कोशिका द्रव्य कोशिका भित्ति से अलग हो जाता है. इस प्रक्रिया को प्लाज्मोलाइसिस कहते हैं. कार्य. ये जल संतुलन बनाए रखने में सहायता करता है, लेकिन अधिक जल निकलने पर कोशिका सिकुड़ जाती है. 4. What leaves the vacuole when water enters? Normally nothing significant leaves the vacuole when water enters. Water simply moves into the vacuole and increases its size. Dissolved substances usually remain inside the vacuole. सामान्यतः जब जल रिक्तिका में प्रवेश करता है तब कोई महत्वपूर्ण पदार्थ बाहर नहीं निकलता। जल रिक्तिका में भरकर उसका आकार बढ़ाता है। घुले हुए पदार्थ प्रायः रिक्तिका के अंदर ही बने रहते हैं। ऑस्मोसिस इन एनिमल सेल। 1. Hypertonic solution. A hypertonic solution has a higher concentration of solutes than the animal cell. Water moves out of the cell by osmosis, causing the cell to shrink. This process is called crenation. Function. It helps demonstrate water loss from cells and the effect of concentrated solutions. हाइपरटोनिक विलन में कोशिका की तुलना में विलेय की सांद्रता अधिक होती है। परासरण द्वारा जल कोशिका से बाहर निकल जाता है जिससे कोशिका सिकुड़ जाती है। इस प्रक्रिया को क्रेनेशन कहते हैं। कार्य। यह कोशिकाओं से जल के बाहर निकलने तथा सघन विलन के प्रभाव को दर्शाता है। 2. Isotonic solution. An isotonic solution has the same solute concentration as the animal cell. Water moves into and out of the cell at equal rates and the cell remains normal. Function. It maintains the normal size and shape of the cell. आइसोटोनिक विलन में कोशिका और विलन दोनों में विलेय की सांद्रता समान होती है। जल दोनों दिशाओं में समान गति से आता और जाता है, इसलिए कोशिका सामान्य रहती है। कार्य। यह कोशिका के सामान्य आकार और संरचना को बनाए रखता है। 3. Hypertonic solution. A hypertonic solution has a lower concentration of solutes than the animal cell. Water enters the cell by osmosis, causing the cell to swell. If too much water enters, the cell may burst. This process is called lysis. Function. It shows how excess water enters animal cells and the importance of water balance. हाइपोटोनिक विलन में कोशिका की तुलना में विलेय की सांद्रता कम होती है। परासरण द्वारा जल कोशिका के अंदर प्रवेश करता है जिससे कोशिका फूल जाती है। यदि बहुत अधिक जल प्रवेश करे तो कोशिका फट सकती है। इस प्रक्रिया को लाइसिस कहते हैं। कार्य। ये दर्शाता है कि अधिक जल कोशिका में कैसे प्रवेश करता है तथा जल संतुलन का महत्व क्या है। A. Isotonic solution medium outside and inside the cell has same proportion of water. Water doesn't go in or out. B. Hypertonic solution the cell has less water than outside medium, so water enters the cell. This is called endemosis. E.g. if raisins are kept in water, after some time they swell and become turgid. C. Hypertonic solution. The cell has more water than the outside medium, so water comes out of the cell. E.g., if fruit pieces are kept in thick saturated sugar solution, the water from fruit pieces enter the sugar solution, so the fruit pieces shrink after a while. If plant cell or animal cell is kept in hypertonic solution, water comes out of the cell by the process of exosmosis and there is contraction of cytoplasm. This process is called plasmolysis. 3. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the fluid between plasma membrane and nucleus. It is a moving, sticky substance. Many cell organelles are suspended in cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the medium for cellular chemical reactions. The part of cytoplasm other than organelles is the cytosol. Cytosol stores vital substances like amino acids, glucose, vitamins, etc. In animal cells, cytoplasm is more granular and dense, while in plant cells it is thin and mostly pushed to the periphery due to a larger central vacuole. Cell organelles. An organelle is a specialized subunit having specific function within the cell. They are organs of the cell. Each organelle has its own lipoprotein membrane. Except nucleus and chloroplast, all other organelles can be seen only with electron microscope. When observed under electron microscope, we can see nucleus covered by a double-layered chromatin membrane with small pores. These pores allow the passage of material in and out of the nucleus. Nucleolus. Nuclear nucleus has one round nucleolus and a network pore of chromatin fibers. Chromatin fibers are thin, thread-like structures, which condense to form short thick chromosomes at the time of cell nuclear division. Functional segments on chromosomes membrane are called genes. 10.7 Nucleus. Functions of nucleus. 1. It controls all metabolic activities of the cell, and also the cell division. Though it is involved in the transmission of hereditary characters from parents to offsprings. Do you know? Due to loss of nucleus, large quantity of hemoglobin can be accommodated in the RBC, and thereby large amount of oxygen can be transported. Due to the loss of nucleus of sieve tubes of the plant phloem, they become hollow and thereby transportation of food becomes easy. Nucleus. Ribosome. 10.8 Endoplasmic reticulum. Functions of a. 1. It is the framework that supports cell, though, conduction of proteins. 3. Toxins that have entered the body through food, air and water are made water-soluble by air and then flushed out of the body. Golgi complex. It is made up of 5 to 8 hollow and flat sacs placed parallel to each other. These sacs are called cisternae and are filled with different enzymes. The proteins coming from her are enclosed in vesicles, which come towards Golgi complex via cytoplasm. They fuse with the formation phase of the Golgi membranes and empty their contents in the cisternae. As they pass through the cisternae, they are chemically modified with the help of enzymes. They are again packed in the vesicles. These vesicles exit from the maturation phase. Thus, cisternae work like a packing department that packs and distributes substances. Functions. 1. Golgi complex is the secretory organ of the cell. Though it modifies, sorts and packs materials synthesized in the cell, enzymes, mucus, proteins, pigments etc., and dispatches them to various targets like plasma, membrane, lysosome etc. 3. It produces vacuoles and secretory vesicles. 4. It helps in the formation of cell wall, plasma membrane and lysosomes. Introduction to scientists. Camillo Golgi described the Golgi complex for the first time. He developed the staining technique called black reaction, and with the help of it, he studied nervous system. He won the Nobel Prize of 1906 along with Santiago Cajal for the study of structure of nervous system, lysosomes. Due to various metabolic activities in the cell, organic waste is generated. Lysosomes digest the waste. Lysosomes are simple, single membrane bound sacs, single membrane, filled with digestive enzymes. Functions. 1. Immune system. It destroys viruses and bacteria that attack the cell. Though demolition squads, it is destroys worn out cellular organelles and organic debris. Autolysis. 3. Suicide bags. When a cell becomes old or is damaged, lysosomes burst and enzymes digest their own cells. 4. During starvation, lysosomes digest stored proteins, enzyme complex fats. 10.10 Lysosomes. Mitochondria. Each cell requires energy, and this energy is produced in the mitochondria. Under the electron microscope, a mitochondrion is seen as a double membrane structure. The outer membrane is porous and the inner membrane is deeply folded. These folds are called cristae. The inner cavity is filled with proteinaceous gel-like matrix containing ribosomes, phosphate granules, and DNA. Therefore, it can produce its own proteins with the help of enzymes. Mitochondria oxidize carbohydrates and fats. In the cell, the energy released in this process is stored in the mitochondria in the form of 10.11 mitochondria. Inner membrane. Outer membrane. Christie. Matrix. ATP adenosine triphosphate. Plant cells have less mitochondria than animal cells. Functions do you know? 1. To produce energy-rich compound ATP. 2. Synthesis of proteins, carbohydrates, lipids etc. By using the energy in ATP, mitochondria are absent in RBCS. Due to this, the oxygen which is carried by them is not used for themselves. Vacuoles. Vacuoles are the storage sacs for solid or liquid contents. They don't have any typical shape or size. The structure of the vacuole changes according to the need of the cell. Vacuole is bound by single membrane. Functions. 1. To maintain the osmotic pressure of the cell. 2. To store metabolic byproducts and end products. Glycogen, proteins, water etc. 3. In animal cell, they store waste products and food, while in amoeba it stores food before digestion. 4. In plant cell, vacuoles are full of cell sap and provide 10.12 vacuoles. Turgidity, rigidity to them. Plastids. Why are plant leaves green and flowers red, yellow, orange or blue? The organelle, which gives such colors, is present only in the plant cells. It is called plastid. Plastids have double membrane and are of two types. Color of the plant part pigment. Green X, leaves chlorophyll. Orange X, carrot carotene. Yellow xanthophyll. Purple, blue anthocyanin. Dark pink X, beet, betylanes. Chlorophyll and synthesis of lycopene. Outer membrane inner. Chloroplast intermembranous membrane. Activity: take out a thin peel of rheo or space croton leaf and observe the chromoplasts under the compound microscope. Chloroplasts are important for the photosynthesis process that takes place in the leaves. Chlorophyll in chloroplast traps granum solar energy and converts it to chemical thylakoid stroma energy. Stroma in the chloroplast contains enzymes, DNA, ribosomes and carbohydrates 10.13 chloroplast that are necessary for photosynthesis. Functions. 1. Chloroplasts convert solar energy to chemical energy food. 2. Chromoplasts give different colors to flowers and fruits. 3. Leucoplasts are involved in the synthesis and storage of food like starch, oils and proteins. Eukaryotic cell. Size 5-100 micrometer. Number of chromosomes more than 1. Nucleus with nuclear membrane, nucleolus and nucleoplasm. Mitochondria and plastids present. Examples present in highly evolved unicellular and multicellular plants and animals. Prokaryotic cell. 1-10 micrometer. Only one. Nucleoid resembling nucleus. They don't have membrane-bound cell. Organelles. Bacteria. एंड तक देखने के लिए शुक्रिया। अच्छा लगा हो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय।